Hi, welcome to this demo where we're going to be using Layer7 API management and Blazemeter API monitoring to enable real-time monitoring of your APIs. In this demo, we're going to be using Blazemeter to automatically create API monitoring tests for our APIs that are already defined in our Layer7 developer portal. First, we can look at this Blazemeter screen. You can see we have two tests defined already. Our first test, Hello1, is calling out to a fictitious Hello World API. You can see the success rate and the response time of that API. This second test here is actually calling our integration that's pulling the two solutions together. We'll run that for the first time in a minute. But let's look at the developer portal and our APIs that have already been defined. Here you'll see we have three APIs defined: Bike, Fitness and Hello World. Let's add a new API, and as we do that you'll see how the integration between the two solutions is enabled. I click Add API, I choose a Swagger file. In this case I'm choosing the Swagger file for the Strava API. I'll keep everything pretty much default here because we're really demoing the integration between the two solutions. At the bottom of this API's details screen, you'll see we have a custom field defined. And this custom field is called Monitor with Blazemeter. I can set that to true. I can hit next. Again, accepting all the defaults here, I can go off and create that API. I go back now, you'll see I have 4 APIs defined in my portal. There we go. So if I go back to the Blazemeter API Monitoring tab, I can run now my check for new APIs. In the background, what this job is actually doing is integrating the two solutions through their management APIs. So we're looking at the portal, we're checking for all the new APIs that have been added to the solution with the flag of true to be monitored. You'll see that's now done. So if we refresh this part of the screen, you can now see those API tests have been defined automatically, and they've actually started running. We've scheduled those jobs to run every minute. You'll see a couple of these, the Strava and the Fitness API, are actually responding badly. We're getting errors. There's no success rate. But for our Hello World and our Bike API, we're getting responses. You can see the performance time as well. So hopefully the demo has showed you that it's very easy to enable API monitoring for your APIs that you've already got defined in your Layer7 solution. The value of those API monitoring tests running there is untold. Right? You're getting an early warning of how your API is performing and responding to your clients, your customers that are consuming that API before anything internally can tell you there's a problem. Thanks for watching.